This is fun. This is Ghana, guys. Welcome to my channel. I know what you're thinking. This girl just came from London and she's drinking Ghana pure water. She's going to get some diarrhea. Guys, honestly, since coming to Ghana, we all know that water, I don't want to mention the brand, there's only one type of water that most people from abroad drink to prevent themselves from getting diarrhea. But oh my goodness, I have discovered one brand's water that actually doesn't give me the run, and they're called Ericent Water. But you know what? I had to say to myself, no, what's this company doing that's doing so well that it's not giving me the runs? I had to bring myself to the heart of Accra, where Ericent Water is based. Guys, you would not believe it. It's a small company run by UK diasporans. They're not in the country right now, but I had to head straight to their factory to find out. So today's video, you're going to find out how Ghana pure water can be manufactured, delivered, and even consumed step by step. Akua Dimples, I am bringing you a business idea that you can start if you want to relocate to Ghana. Stay with me. And no, I did not forget, kiss from this dimple, kiss from this dimple, Akua Dimples. I am signing in. Woo! As you saw, I am in a factory producing, should I say mass producing pure water today. So our operator Kapara here has taught me, that we are bagging it in 30. So each bag is in rows of 3s all the way up to 10. So you get a nice long bag, which I don't seem to be doing very well at right now, but let's continue. Guys, I'm doing some work experience, you know. Who would have thought? This is what it takes, you know, to bring you guys some ideas that you can use to help move you back to Ghana a lot faster. The beauty of this is that you can even start one right from your home. Kaparo, how am I doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, one more to go. Here we go. So I've got a full bag of 30, and how do we knot it? How do we do it? Easy. I could have done that one myself. So guys, after the water has been bagged into bags of 30, we've got something here we call a boboya in Ghana. It's basically a motorbike that can carry goods and loads at the back. So for a company that wants to run something like this, you could have an aboboya or a truck, which Ericent does have. So once we've got a bag of 30, this aboboya can typically take about 70 bags. So we're going to load our bags into our boboya. Right, hey! Eradi, this is not easy. Kaparo, please, I need your help. Come and give me a hand with this. 1. So we have 70 of these to load into this van, and I'm only on 1. Hey, we are literally on our first bag of 70, and I am tired. May God give me strength. Kaparo, please, come and help. Yeah! Kaparo, let's go. Guys, this is what I do for you, you know. This is the hard work Dimples is putting into this channel. This is not easy, wow. This business is one that you can literally start as long as, you know, you've got a location, you've got water supply, and it can be quite lucrative. I know a lot of the videos we're seeing online nowadays are showing like hotels, real estate, and those businesses need a lot of money for you to start. However, this is one that, you know, you can start as low as you can with maybe 1 aboboya or not. 1 aboboya or 1 truck, and then, you know, Bob's your uncle. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sen Kaparo. Okay. So we've made the pure water bags. We've loaded our van. I know I said 70, but I can't kill myself. I can't kill myself, guys. I was able to manage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 is enough, okay? Now we're going to go deliver it to some shops. Let's see if they want some of our delicious pure water. Join me, guys, as I drive an aboboya live from Ghana. Hey! Hey! Right, delivery Akua Dimples. I am ready. Safety first, guys. I need to put my helmet on. And you know, nothing completes this look than, you know, my sunglasses. Sunglasses on. We are ready to deliver some pure water to those customers. Oh yes, this is fun. This is Ghana, guys. Welcome to my channel. Yes, guys. I'm actually riding on a bubble yacht. So literally we're going to go to neighborhoods. We're going to deliver some pure water to some shops that have ordered, even some residential areas that have asked for water. I know I'm a beginner, so I have to drive quite slow. We've just arrived at one of the customers' location. Let's get some pure water for our customer. Look at this lovely house, Ghana. Hey, let me come round. Hard work, you see. And this customer wants about 5 bags, so let's go. This time I'll put it on my shoulder. 4 more to go. Hard work. And we're going to deliver. So let's stop here. Actually, there's some kids playing football. I think they are tired. They must want some water. Let's stop this engine. Right. Let's go. Yeah. What it? And one. Now let's do our delivery, guys. And this company, they've ordered about 10, so we're just going to load and give them their water as well. Oh, this is hard work. 1, 9 more to go. But anyway, whilst we continue the delivery, guys, I think we're going to end here because every delivery is probably going to look the same and I am getting tired. So we're going to give this shop their 10 and then we'll continue on our ventures. But before we go, guys, I think I'm going to join these kids playing football. What do you think? Let's go. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Go anyway, Mumbai. Yes, show it. Yeah, friend, your best show her first. Mumbai. Mumbai. Until next time, kiss from this dimple, kiss from this dimple. Akua Dimples, I am signing out. Let's go, guys.